So now the Chinese embassy has to deal with that all the way up their chain to the foreign minister, to the member of Politburo in charge of foreign affairs, to the president. So if the Chinese government does the same, it doesn't end to our ambassador. It goes to our foreign secretary. It goes to President Bongbong. So that's the reality there, Mr. President. But I don't intend to delay this I intend to exhaust the discussion, Mr. President.
Yes, Mr. President, we understand the point raised by the good minority leader, except that, like I said, this has been postponed upon the request of this good senator 3 times already. So that's why I hope he understands when I am appealing to him that hindi natin minamadali ito. Kung minadali natin ito, dapat hindi 3 postponement na pumayag tayo. In good faith, Mr. President.
Mr. President, iba lang definition namin minamadali kasi kung may hearing to, mas tatagal pero malalim ang discussion natin. Having said that, I understand where the senator is coming from dahil siya po ang may kasagutan. No?
Thank you, Mr. President.
Can I go to the point of the whereas clause that talks about the official duties and functions, no? So is it the official duty of Commodore Tariela to come out with a caricature against the Chinese president?
Mr. President.
May we know what whereas clause you're pertaining to? What number in the first page?
The second one, Mr. President, the Philippine officials, including members, Senate, House, and other government, made pronouncements on matters affecting national security, maritime interest in the lawful performance of their official duties and functions. So, Mr. President, I've monitored yung kay SND, sa DND. I agree with some iba may question, kulang ko sa info. So, hindi ko na tinanong yon. And when SND speaks, he's the alter ego of the President. But when Commodore Tariela speaks, I want to know, is that for the task force? Is that for DFA? Is that for the Office of the President? Or is that for the Coast Guard? Because, Mr. President, official duties and functions, yun precisely ang tanong parate sa Department of Ministries of Foreign Affairs, kung official o hindi. And usually we answer. So eto bang mga caricatures na to ay kay Commodore Tariela lang? Or eto ba ay official policy natin?
Yes, Mr. President, my understanding is the statement issued and the caricature that was presented was undertaken during a Track 2 event in St. Benilde. Track 2 would be a informal academic discussion, Mr. President. So, in that sense, Mr. President, we see no reason why that should have been avoided, Mr. President.
Mr.
It's an
President.
informal academic discussion, Mr. President.
Sir President, when you're a general, Commodore, wearing your uniform, hindi po track 2 or 1.5 yon. Tatanungin ka talaga ng embassy. So kung meron general sa China na pumunta sa Harvard University or sa University of Tokyo or kahit anong university sa China at may caricature ni President Bongbong, hindi pwedeng ang sagot track 2 yon. Ang tanong, was that official or not? Diba? So sumagot na si Commodore Tariela, I will follow the President. The President has exercised patience and decorum despite standing up for the territory of our country. It's very important that we make it clear here. So if my staff, who is a member of the Senate, goes to a track 2, tapos may caricature siya ng kahit sino sa mga senador dito, papagalitan ko siya at sasabihin ko, subject ka ng Ethics Committee. Lalo kung naka-uniform siya at nakalagay Senate of the Philippines or Office of Senator Alan. I cannot answer you na this is democracy, Mr. President. Kasi may rules tayo eh. And they're representing the Senate. Now, if on their off time, they attend the rally for pro or anti-divorce, for example, no? Siguro pwede nating sabihin yan ay hindi official ng Senate, pwede. Pero pag nagsalita siya sa stand, tapos meron siyang caricature nung lahat ng senador na anti o pro-divorce, tapos naka-office of Alan Peter Cayetano, subject siya sa Ethics Committee natin, Mr. President. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin track 2 yun. No? So, we
Well,
can...
apart from that, Mr. President, if I may add, after that statement was released, Malacanang issued a statement, and Malacanang did not reject, did not castigate, did not rebuke Commodore Tariela. So I will take it as that, Mr. President, na nagsalita ng Malacanang about the issue, and there was no condemnation or rebuke by Malacanang of the statement of Commodore Tariela. So I will take it as that, Mr. President. It is not, it is official, and Malacanang tacitly, impliedly, did not reject it, Mr. President. So we take it as official.
Sir President,
And if the good senator disagrees with it, as China disagrees with it, then that's he's free to do so, Mr. President. But Malacanang has spoken, and the Commodore Tariela, Malacanang has the president has supervision and control over members of the Coast Guard, including Commodore Tariela. If he found it objectionable, then maybe the course of action is for Malacanang, the Office of the President, to file the necessary administrative cases. Wala naman eh. Ang nagrereklamo yung China.
Sir President,
Walang reklamo ang Office of the President o ang Coast Guard, Mr. President. Ang China ang nagrereklamo.
Sir President, may I respond?
Good.
Yeah. Mr. President, the Filipino people ayaw ng bastos. Pwede tayo mag-disagree, pero follow the proper order and decorum. And being a former Secretary of Foreign Affairs, ang trabaho ng DFA, hindi nga zero-sum game. Magkakampi tayo, walang question pagdating sa territory sovereignty. Nagkakaiba tayo ng approach, pero sana magkaisa tayo na pag mali ang ginawa ng isang empleyado, ay mali. Kasi nga maraming nanonood sa atin ngayon. So kung bukas maraming lalabas na meme, democracy yon. Pero kung staff mismo natin ang magmimeme sa atin at dito sa session hall, tapos sasabihin natin, pwedeng gawin ng general, pwedeng gawin ng staff, mabigat po yon. Look at the official statement of DFA. At the same time, while the Philippine values debate on our difference in national position, the department recognizes the need for sober, professional, and respectful exchanges in the public sphere. Such is not contradictory to national interest. Siyempre po, Mr. President, hindi pwedeng pangunahan ng DFA ang presidente. Alter ego lang yun, dinatanggal yun.
Exactly.
Pero hindi exactly, Mr. President. Nanginginig ngayon, nag-cringe ang mga taga-DFA kung sasabihin natin track 2 yan o track 1.5 at nag-cringe sila pag sinabing ang general ay pwedeng mag-caricature ng leader or flag ng ibang bansa. Because we are part of the United Nations. We are part of the civilized society. Hindi tayo fraternity na rumble na kahit anong gawin ng ating kasama pag mali, mali. Sa resolution na to nakalagay dyan, performance of their official duties. Bakit napakahirap nating sagutin kung official to o hindi? At
Mr.
kung mali,
President, if I
Mr.
may.
President, may I finish?